Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Pui. Pronunciation of the day, day 4. Okay, so now we're going to learn to pronounce an animal. Yeah, well, a sea animal. Okay, so the word is shrimp. Okay, shrimp คืออะไร shrimp คือกุ้งนะ most of the time we may be confused with shrimp or prawn. Both of them are กุ้ง right? But if you're talking about
like the structure or the actual species, I have no idea. Okay, so you might have to help me to explain more about that.
But today we are going to learn how to say shrimp. Okay, shrimp, shrimp. Can you guess how many syllables are there? Shrimp, one, yeah, because the sh is the air, it doesn't count as a syllable, so we don't count it as a syllable, so basically there's one syllable in this word, shrimp, shrimp. แต่เหมือนจะมีสองเสียงมี shura shura shura, so basically you have to separate the sh and the r. sh r shrimp, shrimp. Okay, so a lot of people would say ชิม ชิม ชิมแบบ
ชิมขอชิมจิบจิบขอชิมอย่างเงี้ย
ไม่ได้ เพราะว่า the ending sound of this word is p, 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 p. Because can you see there's a p at the end, so basically you have to end with p. Shrimp. Shh. This is how you pronounce sh. Okay. Shh. Shh. Shura. Shura. Shrimp. Shrimp. Together. Shrimp. Shrimp. Okay. So if there are more than one shrimp, you have to add an s at the end, which is shrimps. Okay, so when you add an s at the end, you wouldn't release p, but you release ps. Okay, like this. Shrimps, 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 shrimps. Okay? Happy Shrimp Day!